国际新闻来看，美国的阿兵哥金恩哦，伫今年7月对南韩逃走离去北韩，造成朝鲜半岛的局势真紧张。北韩的官方媒体伫昨宣布讲，金恩是非法入境，所以依法已经甲伊赶出境了。金恩被赶到中国了后，嘛已经返去美国了。美国方面是强调讲，因无做出任何对北韩的外交让步。
画面的美国陆军道兵崔维斯金恩走过南北韩交界，走入北韩已经超过2个月。北韩官方媒体27报道，金恩已经被平壤当局赶去中国。美方官员表示，已经伫返去的美国路上。
Hopefully, he makes it home safe, and the guy's a good guy, and I hate to see anything more happen to him than he's already been through enough, I'm sure. So yeah, I just want to see him come back.
23岁金恩因为伤害罪，伫南韩入加加服刑将近2个月。今年7月，互人带往机场，准备返去美国的时阵选去，参加南北韩非军事区参访团的时阵，趁机会走去北韩。北韩媒体报道，金恩互美国内部无人道的对待加种族歧视，所以才会脱逃。
It released a statement through its official news agency that said that Private King had become disillusioned with racial divisions in the U.S. government, and it suggests that he was seeking refuge in a third country. We've spoken actually with Private King's mother, who says she has no indication that those are at all his beliefs.
金恩透过一个瑞典资深外交官员，为北韩送往中国了后，伫边境城市的丹东坐飞机飞去沈阳，由美国驻中国大使伫当地接手。美方是讲，无对北韩做出任何让步，中国嘛无伫这件代志扮演调解的角色。
They did not play a role as a mediator, but their role in providing transit or in facilitating transit is one we very much appreciate. We have always thought that China could play a useful role in any number of issues as it relates to North Korea.
不过，北京也是感谢北京同意予这个互人拘留的金恩经由中国领土离开北韩。美联社也指约，无定着是因为一个二等兵会当掌握到的情报有限，而且北韩认为拘留伊会带来更加侪麻烦，所以才会甲赶出境。金恩回国了后，会接受少年帅的身心健康评估，尾仔会阁面临军法的审判。公司新闻田伟仁编译。